guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you important things that you need to know and what are the red flags that you need to look on when you are choosing the prop firm. So the first thing that you want to always check the reviews. This is where you want to start. So I've been doing this for some time now, and what you want to always do is that when you're going to check the reviews, I recommend checking the 1-star, 2-star, how often they are and what they are about. Because also plenty of companies, they are paying like fake 5-star reviews, and that's something that you have to be aware of. So always check the Trustpilot reviews. All right, then when we're gonna go further, when you're gonna find like a prop firm that is going to have like this overpowered like bonuses, marketing hype, like 100% profits with guaranteed funding, make $10,000 your first month. And this is something that is like deception in a way. And also then overall complex scaling plans. So if the roadmap is not simple and like it's very like hard to understand, like this is simple, this is not difficult, but some of these are going to be so overcomplicated that they are going to have so many rules that you have to be aware of. And then also the customer support. This is like very huge. Again, you want to choose like a good customer support company where you're going to write if there are humans, and this is what you can actually find through the Trustpilot reviews. And then no real trading data or no proof of prop firm funding model. So how they generate revenue, what is the way how they actually make money. So this is something that also needs to be there. And then like primarily the payout behavior. So that means is that we need more time to review your trades, there is a system error. And I reviewed some of these companies, and they are like, they're asking, you know, like so many things for a payout. You can do this rule if you're gonna like, we are not going to pay you money. So definitely always check the rules of the companies. Then brand new firms without the backing. So there are like popping up always new companies, and you want to always find some that are like okay, legit, that got some backing, that is not like complete new thing made in whatever country, right? Are they broker backed? How long have it been operating? What partnership do they have? These things that you want to actually like be aware of. So then we're gonna have also aggressive pricing. So when they have like kind of like discounts, cheap fees, easy challenges, and when challenges like very easily, then I don't know how they can sustain it. So then high frequency trading, this is another very important thing. So AHT requires massive infrastructure and create unfair latency advantages. So this is something that you have to be aware of, that most firms cannot support the high frequency trading. And of course, like the reviews, again, I just want to like check it out if they are botted or no. Many times you're going to see always like similar like messages. You can even check it if it be written by AI. And primarily what is the best thing is that if you can actually know who is behind the company. So if you can actually find like, yeah, like this company is legit, like that's the way to go in my opinion. So hope this video provided a little bit of value on what you can actually like expect. And yeah, thank you and have a great day and goodbye. And let me down below in the comments, what do you think are the important things to be aware of?